Hey guys, welcome back to Minecraft Programming with Python. So in today's video, we're going to go on to teleporting the player. So firstly, before we start that quickly, we have to go through different types of coordinates and variables. So Minecraft is coordinated into three coordinates, I suppose, to represent the position of the player. Letter Y represents the height, as you can see here, and letter Z represents the horizontal positions of the player, and X represents the flat plane, so where he is along the flat plane. If you are using Raspberry Pi, then the player's position are found on the top left hand corner, where there will be three values, each saying X, Y and Z. But if you're using desktop like me, you can see the player's coordinates by pressing F3, and you can find the first line in the second block of text on the left hand labelled X, Y and Z, and you can just see where you are. So if you wonder about and get lost from your house, and if you have your coordinates recorded, you can follow or walk back to those certain coordinates easily, or you can just easily teleport there with this handy trick. So what we do to get started is go and type in ideally Python, or open it up. So what we'll do is type in ideally Python, and then we go and click File to create a brand new text editor. Here we go, and we go and save that in a brand new folder called Variables, which will be saved inside our Minecraft Python folder. So I'll just delete this. This was one I made earlier, so I'll just delete that for now and go and create a brand new one called Variables. Let's just quickly call it VRIAB. There we go. So we call it Variables and save this file in that. Double click and just go and save it, although as teleport. There we go, and then this will be saved in that file as teleport. So now now we've done that, we can go on to the actual programming part of this. So first we're going to type in from and then space MC pi, and as you remember, this is something that we always do at the start of some Minecraft programming, since it connects Minecraft with your Python and allows the program to run that you're trying to connect your Python with. So you can type in import Minecraft, and after you've done that, all you have to go and do is underneath that type in MC equals and Minecraft.create. So this will create a brand new world. So create Minecraft.create. There we go. I can't spell. Let me just quickly correct that. And then we put two brackets on the other end like this. So this is done. Actually, I didn't finish with the word Minecraft. So let me just quickly do that and click dot create. There we go. Sorry. So this is how it should be, not what I had earlier. So now we've done that, we're going to create three integers for X, Y and Z, and I explain what those were. So all we have to go and do is click enter. Let's put another space, enter there. So let's go and click X equals 10 maybe, I don't know, and Y equals 110 if you'd like, and I don't know, for sorry, this should be entered, so these should be on different lines, and Z should be, let's give it a random number of 12. So these are three variable positions that we would like to put in our player into a brand new position of, so not on the current position that they're in now, but they will be in these positions when we teleport them. But now what we carry on to do is type in MC dot player and then dot set tile pos, and I will be explaining soon enough what this function is. So let's just quickly put in these values. So what this does is actually teleport the player. This is the function to teleport the player there. But let's go and now I'll explain what set tile pos means. This part of the program is a function. It's a pre-written and reusable piece of code. Set tile pos XYZ function tells Minecraft to change the player's position using the three variables you just set. The values inside the brackets are called arguments. Passing the variables, which is created to the function as arguments, allows the function to use the values of X, Y and Z and when it runs. However, remember, if you are using Raspberry Pi, do not use values larger than 127 or smaller than minus 127 for the X and Y Z variables, since the Minecraft world is small in the Raspberry Pi and numbers above or below that will crash the game. Just before we carry on programming, we need to know what comments are. Comments are useful statements in code that describe what the code does but are ignored by Python. A single line comment begins with a hash mark that you will see soon. Comments allow you to remember what the parts of your program are when you return to them, so you can always come back and edit them knowing what they are. So now we go and add the comments above each program. So in each enter we go and add these comments here, leaving a little space so it's a bit clear. And in the first line we go and add this. And there you have it. That is the finished teleport code with all the comments and all the necessary programming. So as you can see, this is exactly what you would need to teleport a player from a certain place to another, and we've explained on each step why we need that. But now let's go and run the program and go and open up Minecraft to see the changes that Minecraft has with this. So all we need to do now is go and up Minecraft in order to run the program and see the changes in Minecraft that it does. So you're going to click play here, and this should open up the brand new world. However, if you do open up the brand new world and an error message does come up, something like this, which I'll show you in a bit, as you can see here, let me just minimize this quickly, press F11, so you can click multiplayer, and if it does say cannot connect to server and you keep on refreshing it and it keeps on doing that, all we have to do is do something that we did earlier, like in an earlier video, is go to Minecraft Python folder, then a new world folder, go and double click start server, and dialog box may say do you want to open this, and you know it's safe, so you can click open, and then we've got a brand new world generated. So I'll cut in the video till we're back and we've got a new world generated. So once that's done, we can go and click refresh in Minecraft, and this should say a Minecraft server, and it should be green round about here. But make sure to keep this open, otherwise it will not work. So what we do is go and open up this Minecraft world. Let me put these to one side, separate to each other. So as you can see, we are in a village with, in a dark forest village even, with a ton of villagers, like this guy, hi. Yeah, so just remember this position where we are now. This will be changed later on as we run the program. So what we're going to do now to run the program is go click run up here, click run module, click, it says do you want to save it, we go and click OK, and this will soon enough run the program. So as you can see here, you might have seen a drastic change in your Minecraft world, stuff moving about suddenly, and that is basically just your Minecraft or your player being shifted into another position, or the position that you told him to be shifted into. So for example, we are, sorry, I pressed inventory, there we go. So as you can see, there is a drastic change. We are still in the dark forest biome, but it's more mountainy, more snow, loads more animals, there's llamas, or brown ones as well. So yeah, another example, if you want to repeat this, all you have to do is escape. So you can click escape to get your mouse out of the screen. We go and click back onto our program, and maybe if you wanted somewhere a little bit more, I don't know, random 78, let's put 78 there. And let's add, I don't know, maybe 145. I'm not sure what the limit is, but you can try it out for yourself. So if you go click 8 there we go. So now we go and click run module. Once again, that should randomize our position. There we go. As you can see, your Minecraft world is being changed as to where you are, and we are still in a forest biome for some strange reason. But we are completely in a completely different position to where we were before. However, when you're running your Minecraft programming from Ideally on a Raspberry Pi, a dialog asking whether you want to save your program might appear, and hide itself behind the Minecraft window screen. If you think Ideally is frozen, then it might be a good idea to see if the dialog is hiding behind the Minecraft screen. So just minimize the Minecraft window, click OK on the Ideally dialog, and after clicking OK, maximize the Windows Minecraft window, and you can carry on with what we were doing. Finally, floats. As in the last episode we saw integers, we're going to move on to floats, which is a different data type. Numbers, they are numbers that use decimal points, and they can be called floating point numbers or floats. They are used instead of integers when you want to be more precise. So floats can represent whole numbers, for example 5.0, but integers cannot represent numbers with decimal places. In Python, you declare a float variable the same way you declare an integer variable. For example, as you can see here, we've got x equals 1.34 with the chevrons next to it. To create a negative float, just put a negative sign before the value and you're done. So that was today's first grasp on programming with Minecraft with Python. So I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.